So the tools you will use. Okay. So the tools that you will use. Most people don't fail because of lack of will. They fail because of the wrong tools or no tools at all. So let's imagine. Let's imagine you are about to build a house. You have the vision. You know what it should look like. You are even excited to start. But you have got no blueprint, no hammer, no drill, no measuring tape, just your hands and some duct tape. And that's how most people approach affiliate marketing. They use outdated spreadsheets, manually copy paste links, write every single email from scratch, post content blindly and hope someone bites, track affiliate performance by gut feeling, and the result? They either give up or worse, they launch a program that nobody wants to promote. Not because their product is not good, but because they are using tools from 2019 in a world powered by AI. So use the right tools and suddenly the entire game changes. Now picture this instant. You have tools that write all your emails, landing page content and DM scripts in 30 seconds. Design professional promo posts, reels, banners and swipe files without hiring a designer. Build automated funnels, send onboarding emails and tag affiliates without lifting a finger. Show you live dashboards with affiliate sales, conversions, commissions all in one place. In short, the system works. The tools do the heavy lifting. You just grow. And that's what this course gives you. You are not just learning what to do, you are getting the exact tools I have used to build scalable, automated, AI powered affiliate marketing engines. Let me introduce your new Power Squad. Meet the Made Easy Tech Stack. Here are the 5 tools we'll be using throughout the course. Tools that make the Made Easy framework truly made easy. Starting with ChatGPT, your AI writing assistant, and actually much more than being a strategist and operations buddy. What it does, it generates email sequences, landing page copies, outreach DM, writes onboarding guides, affiliate terms, SOPs, FAQs, brainstorms creative content ideas, rewards and bonus structures. You will use ChatGPT in every module with done for you prompt packs. Next is Go High Level, your all-in-one platform to build and automate your affiliate backend. What it does, creates landing pages and funnels, sends emails, SMS and affiliate onboarding sequences, tracks affiliate signups via workflows and tags, lets you run affiliate communities, live trainings, and even white label your own platform. We'll walk through real GHL builds during this course. Canva, your no designer needed graphics tool. What it does, designs social media posts, reels, banners, promo kits, creates ready to share content packs for your affiliates, works perfectly with GPT generated content. You'll get editable Canva templates inside the course. No design skills needed. Zapier, maybe a little bit of it, your automation wizard. What it does, it connects your tools, so actions in one tool trigger actions in another. For example, when someone signs up via an affiliate link, tag them in GHL, update the Google Sheet and send a welcome email instantly. We'll give you Zapier workflows that you can copy, post and run. Then we'll also use Google Sheets, tracking and reporting powerhouse. Most of this can be done using GHL, but wherever GHL would be missing, we will be coming back to Google Sheets to use it. We'll also cover tools like Creatify, Hagen, Notion or Airtable wherever needed, and Stripe. You will build your tool stack step by step based on your business stage, budget and tech comfort. With the right tools, even a beginner can build like a pro. So here is the truth. The difference between people who launch successful affiliate programs and those who quit halfway through is not hustle, is not skill. It's system plus tools. When you combine a proven framework like Made Easy with powerful AI tools, you shortcut years of trial and error into a few focused weeks. So don't worry if you are not techie. That's why you are here. And I'll walk you through what each tool does, how to use it, and how to set it up the easy way. And by the end of this course, you'll not only have your affiliate program launched, you'll also be confident running it like a pro, backed by systems that scale.